Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will see how to install Bluefish on Windows. To install Bluefish, go to a browser and type Bluefish, download and press enter. Click on the first link. So this opens up the Bluefish download page. Here click on 64-bit Windows installer. This opens up the page where the Setup.exe is listed. Find the latest version. So here the latest is 2.2.19. So click on it to download. So now the exe is getting downloaded. It is around 50 MB. Wait for the download to get completed. Okay, so now the exe is downloaded. Now click on the folders icon. So this opens up the Bluefish exe in the location where it was downloaded in Windows Explorer. So now we need to install it. For this, double click on the exe. Give yes if you get a security prompt. Click on next. Click on I agree. Click on next. You can keep the default location and click on next. Click on install. So now the installation has started. Wait for it to complete. So now the Bluefish installation is complete. Click on finish. So now once Bluefish is installed, we need to add Bluefish to the path variable. For this, press Windows R. Type sysdm.cpl. This will open up the system properties. Go to Advanced tab. Click on Environmental Variables. Click on Path. Click on Edit. And now here we need to add the Bluefish path to the path variable. For this, we need to locate the Bluefish exe where it was installed. So in this system, it was installed in C program files. Open the Bluefish folder and locate the Bluefish exe. So Bluefish exe is present here. Now copy this path where the exe is present. Press Ctrl C to copy this. Now go back to the path variable. Double click on the last line. Press Ctrl V to paste it. And now press OK. OK. Again OK. So now we have added Bluefish to the path variable. Now we can launch it. So to launch Bluefish, you can do it from the start menu or from the desktop icon, which is created here. You can also launch it from CMD. So let's launch it from CMD. So press Windows R, CMD, type Bluefish, press enter. So now you can see that Bluefish is launched successfully. So these are the steps you need to follow to download and install Bluefish, and post that you can launch it. I have prepared a reference guide with the steps that we have discussed in this video. You can also refer that. I will be sharing the link to this reference guide in the description. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.